Sweet, welcome back everybody. So I've just arrived at Nudgee Beach. Just finished work, so just thought I'd come down here and try out a new lure. So this is a Daiwa soft plastic, it's the Daiwa Wave Minnow. And I'll just get the exact details out of my bag here. So yeah, first time using Daiwa Bait Junkie soft plastics. So it's a Wave Minnow 3-inch in clear gold colour, which when looking at the water now, I thought it would be a bit clearer than this. So, but that's alright, I'll still persist with this colour. And then I've put on there some Daiwa Bait Junkie jig heads. So it's a 1/12 ounce with a 1/0 hook. Okay, cool. I'm just trekking around now. I'll just chuck a bit of S-Factor scent on this lure. This is looking pretty windy out here. So it could be interesting. It's either going to be a really quiet session and not many fish, or it can flip and be the other way. Anyway, I might head out to this sandbar here and flick in the channel, and I'll start filming then. Oh, here's a big little crab in the rocks. Alright, cool, I'll see you out there. Okay, sweet. So considering where we are with in terms of water quality, I'm going to switch over to a hard body lure, just because I think in this coloured water, with this wind and things like that, it is quite difficult for the fish to find that plastic compared to the action of a hard body lure like a double clutch. So I've just made the decision, just considering how much daylight's left, to quickly switch over to the double clutch, and then I'll finish off the soft plastics video shortly. Hopefully alright, I'll turn on if I get any hits. So it's a fair bit of wind noise, I'm guessing. Oh, just got a good hit off a fish. Oh, he just hit it hard. I think it's a little pike. Oh, oh, he's not too small actually. That's a massive pike. Holy. Oh, check him out. I was not expecting that. I've got a fairly good grip on him. Oh my goodness. He's absolutely smashed that lure. Look at the teeth. He's not happy. Oh, there we go. Got him unhooked. Woohoo! Just a little bit stunned. Just let him get some water back in his gills. There we go. There he goes. Shot off. Woo! All right, that was a pretty big hit. I'm not sure what everyone saw, but the first hit was crazy. Okay, these conditions are very difficult to fish in, but I'm sort of doing my best. Oh, that's a pretty nice sunset actually. Wow, that sun's just starting to go down. I'm just going to sort of focus on this little spot. But yeah, it's very difficult conditions with all that wind. Oh, I don't know if that was a bite. Oh, it might be just, there's also a lot of seaweed in the water as well. Let's get that off there. But that's all right, it's just a quick after work fish. So cast that lure out, twitch it, drop it down under the surface. I'm just gonna slow roll it and twist it. Geez, that pike hit that lure so hard. Far out. Okay, so these conditions are quite challenging. It's very windy. Decent fish. That just took a good run. Ooh. Something just came in and absolutely hammered this double clutch. I've got it on very light leader here. It's like brim. Check him out. Oh goodness. That's a decent brim. Woo. What a way to finish a very tough session. I'll see if I can grab him. That wind is howling. Whew. Oh. He's just come in and hit that double clutch. He looked like a little squire when I first got him up. All right, there we go. He's unhooked. Nice fish on the double clutch. It's extremely windy here. It's difficult. It's been a difficult session, but what a way to finish it. What a way to finish it with this nice brim. Wow, what a lovely fish. That's probably about 30 centimeters. I won't get the ruler out. It's not a PB or anything, but I'll just let him go here. Let him get his get some water flowing and let him go, and there he goes. Oh, what a difficult afternoon. This has not been an easy session in this wind. It's about 40 k's an hour, but I managed to get a couple of fish, so yeah. I'll do a couple more casts, but I'll probably have to call it a session on that note. But yeah, all right, thanks for tuning in, everybody. And sorry about all the wind noise, but I just wanted to get a video together. All right, I'll see you soon.